Good morning. I'm Marty Schmidt. I'm the Provost at MIT. I wanted to welcome you here for the second day of Designing Places for Inventing the Future, the campus then, now, and next. I just wanted to offer a few opening remarks and then I'll hand the program back over to the organizers. But just reflecting on this symposium, yesterday the focus of the symposium was on the physical campus and the surrounding ecosystem. We explored MIT's main group, and I think courtesy of Mark Jarzenbeck, we now have new questions to add to the MIT trivia game about our campus history. If you don't know what that means, watch the video. We also looked at the design of newer campuses around the world, many of which MIT has been involved with. And lastly, we had a session on incubating urban innovation spaces. This, of course, is a topic that is extremely timely as MIT maps out our own plans for Kendall Square and our agenda at MIT for driving innovation. But I think it's also important because we often are asked to answer a question which is basically, how does the ecosystem around MIT work? And I think the sessions yesterday were really helpful in thinking and framing our thoughts about that. Today you're going to turn your lens to education with two exciting panels. You'll first look to the front lines of learning at all levels, from childhood learning to university study, and explore some of the exciting new experiments in these spaces that are experiments that are being conducted both here at MIT, in Cambridge, and around the world. After that, you'll spend time looking at the future of online learning. This is clearly a major focus for us at MIT through our efforts both at MITx and in partnership with Harvard and edX. I'm personally delighted that we're doing this symposium and actually the entire collection of activities that have been pulled together as we celebrate our century in Cambridge. I want to thank all the organizers and the panelists for this symposium, and I particularly want to thank Hashim Sarkis, John Oxendorf, and of course Gail Gallagher and her team for organizing this. I'm hopeful that as a result of these particular 2 days, we will advance our collective thinking about our own campus and how it can and should be transformed to enable the MIT of the future. In my view, we need a vision that helps us, first of all, strengthen our ability to work collaboratively and across disciplinary boundaries. We need a vision to enable the mind and hand spirit that defines MIT. We need a vision that helps us think about how new learning models translate into the physical needs of our campus. And lastly, we need to think about how important institutions like the libraries should look and function in the future. I'll just close by saying that what I think is clear to me is that we need a campus that is what we aspire to be as an institution. And in my view, that is a campus that's flexible, that's agile, that's capable of rapid change, and that is globally connected. So with that, I'll leave you, but I'll certainly look forward to hearing what you have to learn throughout these 2 days. Thank you very much.